Hello children, welcome back to mathematics class. Today we are going to learn subtraction with borrowing tens and hundreds. And I'm your maths teacher Priyanka Bisht. Children, in the previous classes we have learned how to subtract two-digit numbers with borrowing. Now children, in the same way, we will subtract three-digit numbers with borrowing. So let us understand this with an example. Look at the screen, children. Here, you have to subtract 145 from 633. Children, we will start subtracting the ones. So at ones place, you can't subtract 5 from 3. So children, now you will borrow 110 from 3 tens to make 2 tens. So now 3 will become 13. So at ones place 13 minus 5 is 8. So children, write 8 under ones. Now at tens place 2 is there. You can't subtract 4 from 2. So you will borrow 100 from 6 hundreds to make 5 hundreds and 12 tens. Now children, 12 minus 4 is 8. Write 8 at tens place. Now at hundreds place, 5 is there. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So children, write 4 at hundreds place. Children, your answer will be 488. Now children, let's do some questions given on page 53 of your maths book. Children, look at the first part. Here you have to subtract 68 from 235. First, subtract the ones. Children, at ones place you can't subtract 8 from 5. So you will borrow 110 from 3 tens to make 2 tens and 15 ones. Now children, 15 minus 8 is 7. So write 7 under ones. Now children, at tens place, you can't subtract 6 from 2. So borrow 100 from 200 to make 112 tens. Now children, 12 minus 6 is 6. So write 6 under tens. And 100 place 1 minus 0 is 1. So write 1 under the hundreds place. So your answer will be 167. Now children, next part. Here you have to subtract 79 from 346. First, subtract the ones, that is 6 minus 9. Children, you can't subtract 9 from 6. So you will borrow 110 from 4 tens to make 13 tens and 15 ones. Now 15 minus 9 is 16 minus 9 is 7. Now children, at tens place, you can't subtract 7 from 4. So you will borrow one value from hundreds to make 2 hundreds and 13 tens. Now children, 13 minus 7 is 6. So write 6 under tens. Now at hundreds place, 2 minus 0 is 2. So write 2 under hundreds. So your answer will be 267. Now children, let's do C part. Here you have to subtract 56 from 423. First we will subtract the ones, that is you have to subtract 6 from 3. Children, we can't subtract 6 from 3, so we will borrow 1 10 from 2 tens to make 1 10 and 13 ones. Now children, 13 minus 6 is 7. So write 7 under ones. Now at tens place, you can't subtract 5 from 1. So children, we will borrow 1 hundreds from 4 hundreds to make 3 hundreds and 11 tens. Now children, 11 minus 5 is 6. So write 6 under tens. Now children, at hundreds place, 3 minus 0 is 3. So write 3 under hundreds place. So children, your answer will be 367. Now children, let's do the next part, D. Here you have to subtract 268 from 525. Children, first we will subtract the ones. So you have to subtract 8 from 5. Children, we can't subtract 8 from 5. So we will borrow 1 10 from 2 tens to make 1 10 and 15 ones. Now children, at ones place, 15 minus 8 is 7. So write 7 under ones. Now at tens place, 1, you can't subtract 6 from 1. So you will borrow one value, that is 1 hundreds, from 5 hundreds to make 4 hundreds and 11 tens. Now children, at tens place, 11 minus 6 is 5. So write 5 under tens. Now at hundreds place, 4 minus 2 is 2. So write 2 under hundreds. Now children, your answer will be 257. Now let's do the next part, E. Here you have to subtract 342 from 640. Children, we'll start subtracting the ones. At ones place, you can't subtract 2 from 0. So you will borrow 1 10 from 4 tens to make 3 tens and 10 ones. Now children, At ones place, 10 minus 2 is 8. So write 8 under ones. Now at tens place, you can't subtract 4 from 3. So you will borrow 100 from 600s to make 513 tens. Now at tens place, 13 minus 4 is 9. So write 9 under tens. Now at hundreds place, 5 minus 3 is 2. So write 2 under hundreds place. So children, when you subtract 342 from 640, you will get answer as 298. Now children, your homework is do question number 2 given on page number 53 in your maths book. Thank you.